Now these are going to be, I just know, the ultimate gift this year. These are fleece-lined thermal socks for men. Absolutely gorgeous. These are so roasty toasty. I'm so excited to give these to my husband. I'm going to surprise him in a minute. These come in 6 different patterns, so there's one for absolutely everybody on there. And they're a UK size 5 to 12, so they're going to fit a lot of people. One of the reasons why I like them as well, I was going to take the packaging off, apart from the very fun design, is they have the slippy grippers on the bottom. So if you are, well, he's going to be wearing them around the house probably. He's going to have a nice grip on the floor, so he's not going to slip. Honestly, I'm probably going to steal these if I'm honest. Look at the fleecy on these. So can you imagine just putting your, so soft, putting your very chilly foot in there. These are roasty toasty. They are super thick. So midwinter, it's freezing cold. You just can't get warm. These are going to be absolutely amazing. My husband does feel the cold much more than I do actually. He wears all the hoodies and stuff, the fleecy hoodies. He is going to absolutely adore this, and he's also going to love the doggo pattern as well. The patterns are really great. I really like the snake as well. But aren't these wonderful? They've got the little heel part there so they don't sort of slip down. They're going to fit really nicely. Let's surprise my husband and see what he thinks. And what do we think of them?
These are really nice. Yeah, they're really soft and really... Ooh, I'm just making my toes, as you can see. Yeah, they're nice and warm and soft and squidgy. And yeah, I can see me wearing these a lot during the winter.
Awesome. Thank you so much to the brand team for sending these to us. My husband absolutely loves them. It's going to be super toasty. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you so much for sending them to us. We really do appreciate it. And thank you for watching.